terrifying crash. Watch as this motorcycle tries to make a turn at 40 miles per hour and flies straight off the cliff. He tumbles 250 feet down the ravine. For more than a minute, there is utter silence. Is he alive or dead? Miraculously, 27-year-old Matthew Murray survived the crash.
Help!
As I launched off, I knew, I processed in my brain, like, you're gonna die.
Unable to reach his cell phone, he cries out for help.
Help!
But trapped below in the remote Santa Monica Mountains outside Calabasas, California, no one can hear his screams.
Honestly, nobody's seen me crash. So, like, I really had no choice but to climb. It's either that or I would have died right there.
Matthew bravely used everything he had left to crawl up the cliff. When he got to the top, he flagged down a driver who called 911. Rescuers told him he was lucky to be alive. After this near-death experience, Matthew says he'll never ever get on another motorcycle.